In order to manage permissions on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we need to go to Settings. In Settings, we need to scroll down a little bit, find Security and Privacy, and then choose it. Over here, scroll all the way down and choose More Privacy Settings. And then over here, scroll down again to find Permission Manager. Choose it. Here you will find all permissions that are available on the device, and we can choose one of them. So let's say I'm going to choose Location. After that, we can see all apps that are allowed to use location all the time. We can also see apps that are allowed to use location only when the app is in use. And we also have apps that are not allowed to use location at all. So if you want to change that, if you want to grant permission or revoke the permission for an app, you want to select the app, and then here you can choose to, for instance, allow only while using the app, to ask every time, or don't allow. In some cases we have additional option, like for instance in the case of location, we can also enable and disable precise location. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!